Your wedding jewelry is not just an accessory. It is part of your story. It appears in photos you will look back on for decades. It becomes something you pass down, something that holds memories. Choosing the right pieces can feel overwhelming, especially when you start searching for jewelry near me and are suddenly faced with endless options. This guide will help you choose bridal jewelry you truly love, whether you are browsing jewelry stores online or visiting jewelry stores in person. If you are searching for jewelry in Arcadia or the nearest jewelry professionals who can help guide you, you are in the right place. Start with your wedding dress and neckline. Before you choose any jewelry, your dress should guide your decisions. The neckline, fabric, and style of your gown determine what will look best. A strapless or sweetheart neckline pairs beautifully with a simple pendant or choker. A V-neck gown works well with a delicate drop necklace. A high neckline often looks best with statement earrings and no necklace at all. Many brides who visit jewelry stores in Arcadia bring photos of their dresses so the staff can help them find the perfect match. This is one of the easiest ways to narrow your choices. Choose jewelry that matches your wedding style. Your wedding theme plays a big role in selecting jewelry. For a classic wedding, pearls and diamonds are timeless. For a modern wedding, clean lines and white gold or platinum shine. For a vintage-inspired wedding, rose gold and antique details feel romantic. For bohemian weddings, nature-inspired shapes and mixed metals are beautiful. When you search for jewelry near me, think about the feeling you want your jewelry to give. It should feel like you, not like a trend you will outgrow. Earrings that frame your face. Earrings are often the most noticeable piece of bridal jewelry. Stud earrings are simple and elegant. Drop earrings add movement and softness. Statement earrings become the focal point of your look. Trying on earrings at different jewelry stores helps you see what feels right. Lighting, mirror angles, and even your hairstyle can change how a pair looks on you. Necklaces that complement your gown. Not every bride needs a necklace. Your neckline determines whether one adds to your look or distracts from it. When browsing jewelry stores, try several styles with your dress neckline in mind. This helps you avoid over-accessorizing. If you are unsure, visiting the nearest jewelry expert can give you clarity and confidence. Bracelets and rings that complete the look. Bracelets add a soft sparkle, especially for sleeveless gowns. Tennis bracelets and thin bangles are popular choices. Your rings matter too. Engagement rings, wedding bands, and even delicate stacking rings should all feel comfortable and secure. Many brides search for jewelry repair around me before their wedding to have their rings cleaned, resized, or polished. An Arcadia jewelry repair professional can make sure your rings look flawless on your big day. Incorporating family heirlooms, wearing a family piece connects your past to your future. Many brides bring heirloom jewelry to an Arcadia jewelry repair shop for cleaning, resizing, or restoration. This allows you to honor your family while still wearing something that feels fresh and personal. When to shop for bridal jewelry. Start looking at least 3 months before your wedding. This gives you time for resizing, repairs, or custom work. Brides who wait until the last minute often feel rushed. Visiting jewelry stores in Arcadia early gives you time to explore options and make thoughtful choices. Why local jewelers matter. When you search for jewelry near me, you are not just looking for convenience. You are looking for trust. A local jeweler can offer guidance, repairs, and custom designs. This is why so many brides choose jewelry in Arcadia from trusted professionals who understand craftsmanship. If you need jewelry repair around me, or advice from the nearest jewelry experts, working with a local team makes all the difference. Find your trusted Arcadia jewelry repair shop. If you are searching for jewelry stores in Arcadia, or an experienced Arcadia jewelry repair shop, Dorano Jewelry is your destination. Dorano Jewelry is a trusted name in jewelry in Arcadia, offering bridal jewelry, custom design, ring resizing, stone setting, and full restoration services. Our team provides expert Arcadia jewelry repair and personalized guidance to help you find pieces you will cherish forever. If you have been searching for the nearest jewelry experts or a reliable jewelry repair around me, feel free to stop by in person and schedule a consultation. Your wedding jewelry should feel as special as the day itself. Let Dorano Jewelry help you shine.